This project is a personalized nutrition and meal planning system. Users enter their physical data health goals, and the system generates daily meal plans using APIs hosted on AWS. The backend uses Amazon RDS and AWS Lambda to calculate calorie needs and suggest suitable meals. To support this, I create a database from Kaggle. This data set includes thousands of foods with information like calories, protein, fat, carbs, and serving size. It was a good fit because it provides enough variety for meal recommendation across different diet goals, whether regular, weight loss, or bodybuilding. But the raw data sets need cleaning and structuring. I read Python to handle the missing values, unify food categories, and extract numeric value for message strings. For database design, I create two main tables, full table to store full names and calories per gram, and the full tab table to store the nutrient tab, percentage, and a normalized category. This design allows flexible filtering and categorization when generating customized meals. For example, if a user wants to high protein meals, the system can easily query food item from protein group. All the data would insert into MySQL on Amazon RDS. From there, our API can retrieve appropriate foods, apply user performance, and calculate recipes that meet their nutrition targets.
So Han has already introduced our project and how we structure our database. And now I'm going to introduce what our API. We have six APIs: create user, get user information, create user preference, calculate calories, generate receipts, and generate customized receipts. So for create users, the user upload all his information and their goal. And this API only create a user if this information is reasonable. Otherwise, return file and return stake code is 500. Calculate calories is calculate how many calories user should eat per day and calculate the calories allocated to three meals according to different nutrition goal. And here is the equation. The general receipt is generate the meal plan for a per day. It randomly select the calorie combination and for each categories select food and calculate the grams what the user should eat. The calories is coming from the previous calculate API. And the customized receipt is that we exclude the food user is allergic and weighted randomly select the food from categories based on the user preference. And next person will show the demo.
Hi, welcome to our client app overview and demo. Let's get started. So for our client app, we have a total of 5 features. The first feature is creating user. So you can create a new user account using this command. And this is also the way we use to collect necessary information to generate unique food menu for users later. And the second feature is access user information. So once you create a new user account, you can access your user information using this command. And next, it is daily calories. So in this features, we can calculate a daily calorie intake for each user based on their height, weight, and diet goal. So this is also the feature that we use to generate food menu later. So here we have fourth one, generate food menu, which we generate breakfast, lunch, and dinner for menu for each user. And next we have customized food menu. So in this functionality, user can choose whatever food that they don't like to appear in their food menu or something that they would like to appear more on their food menu. All right, so here now let's go to demo. All right, so first let's do Python 3 main.py to go into our client app. So our first command, it is users, but we are not gonna do that. Let's create a user first. So let's say the username is Sam. And we're just gonna input other information for Sam. Let's say Sam want to lose 10 pounds. And let's do regular BIGO. And let's say period of 90 days. So now you can see that a user account for Sam is created with user ID 80022. So now when we do users command, we can input 80022 and you can see that all the information for Sam can be accessible here. And next, we have the third command, which is daily calories. So now you can see that this is the daily calorie intake for Sam. So here you have daily calorie of this, and then we also have all these each calorie intake for Sam for each meal of the day. And now let's do fourth one, which is generate food menu. So in this command, which is our main command, main feature of our client app. So we generate a food menu for Sam. You see breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And for each meal, we cover all three of the nutrition, carbs, protein, and fat. And we also have a measure of how many grams of each food that the user should take in their every meal so that they can, achieve their goal of taking this many calories each day. And eventually they can reach their goal of losing weight, gaining weight, whatever. And next, we have the customized menu. User can customize their menu by using this command. So let's say we really like beef. You can see that from the output, we have successfully updated a customization for Sam's food menu. And now I also want to show you that for our generate food menu, it is different every time. So we generate a unique food menu for user every time they use this command. So you can see here for breakfast, we have whole wheat, but in the first time we get a pizza. So just want to show you that the food menu is unique every time. And that's it. Thank you very much.